Take a look at the define here. There is one screw here. There is one here. There is one here. 3 screws. Take it. Take it off. This is a screw. It can be taken off. There is a screw here and this wire. Remove it. The cover on top. Take out a screw. There is a screw here. Take it apart, and then move this a little. This can be taken down. Oh, after coming down, there are 2 plugs here. Pull it out. Pull it out. There is also a plug here. Pull it out. Put this aside. This position here. A screw. Take it off. Then you will see this gear. This gear. We need to find the retaining ring pliers. Take it down. Then this gear can be removed.